There is a famous quote that says that if I was able to see further, it's because I stood on the shoulders of giants. And I feel like that I am standing on the shoulders of giants, that I have taken something that was built by that small group of people brainstorming, what if we could do something to be outreach to the community? We built on it last year, we built on it this year, and it'll continue to be part of our community here, Vacaville, Sassoon, Fairfield, and all of Northern California. We were here today for what we call the Travis Air Force Base Reserve Experience. So we are an associate unit. We partner with the active duty on shared tails. But one of the issues that we're running into is recruiting and retaining airmen. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to bring in the next generation of Air Force leaders and Air Force airmen. Mostly we are targeting high school, but we also are getting professionals from every walk of life and every age group. And so the idea is bring them in, let them actually have hands-on experience with what they do so it's not so intimidating. We actually have had real success stories where airmen come in and say, I didn't realize that I wanted to be part of aircraft maintenance until I can actually put my hands on stuff. I didn't realize that I wanted to be part of the medical community until I could actually see it and touch it. So we're getting our sets and reps with these people, letting them actually experience, dive in, see things real world, talk to airmen that experience the career field, and we find that energizes our airmen that are already serving and energizes airmen that want to serve for the future.
We have aircraft in the hangars. We have different AFSCs, Air Force Specialty Codes here, kind of talking about what they do as, traditional reservists or full-time reservists here on base. So that's a great opportunity for, us to touch the local community and the community to come here and kind of see what is it that we do.
We actually started in 2023 when I first got here as a commander. It was a brainstorm idea of Lieutenant Colonel Dan Neuer and a group of people to include Staff Sergeant Stephanie White, who was here and one of the trainers today, and Sergeant Sievert. And so they got together and said, well, how can we reach out to the community to get people part of Travis, to see what they do in the 349th Maintenance Squadron and 349th Maintenance Group. And so they did it in 2023, and every year we built on it.
This aircraft looks so awesome from the outside, man. And I've always known I want to do something in aerospace. Online, it looks cool. Online, the C-17 looks amazing. It looks gargantuan. But when you come here in person and you realize the engines are the size of yourself, and they're all the way up there, it makes me excited for being able to get through basic, being able to get through tech school, and actually coming here and working on it. And I just enlisted, but I'm sure if I was coming here without all of my stuff already done, I would definitely be encouraged. I would see all the recruiters here. I'd want to get involved.
Feels great, got something going for myself, so happy, and I know my family's proud of me and everything. So I'm kind of doing what my mom did in the Navy. She did a lot of like the aircraft maintenance stuff, so I'm gonna do something similar to that.
So raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Sean Rodriguez.
Do solemnly swear. A lot of people want to serve. Only 1% of the population serves. But the advantage of the Air Force Reserve, especially here at Travis and the 349th, is you can serve locally, but you could have impact nationally and even globally. So come here every weekend once you get done with your training, but you can deploy, you can go down range on your term and really save lives in humanitarian relief and other continents and every continent of the world. And so that's what we offer.